Hi, Kev the Builder here. I'm on roofs, and funny enough, I just spotted somebody do some roofs while I'm up here, so I thought I'd show you. This is a flat roof, which is ideal. So if we pan over here, we can have a look. They're doing the roof, the flat roof. This looks to me like it's doing a torch-on system. It's a flat roof. You have a underlay and a cap sheet. The underlay is the first thing that goes on, obviously. And then the cap sheet's the thing that goes on top. At the moment he's dressing it around and detailing it around the actual chimney itself, which is really good. Basically it's torch on, so what he's using is a bare flame, and what he does, he heats it up on the back of the actual roll. You can see what he's got there. He heats on the back of it, and it's already got pre-bitumen on there, so as he heats it up it actually becomes sticky and pliable. So the more he puts it on, the more heats it up, it melts the bitumen. It makes it basically like glue adhesive, and it will stick to upstands and obviously the decking, which is the flat bit that he's kneading on. So it's called the decking. And what he do is detail it around the chimney, and then obviously and the upstands. At the end of it to his left, it's called a parapet, and he'll be coming round and working round. As he works his way round left, he'll actually be doing it and doing the parapet.